Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's video, meron tayong package na ating buksan. Ayan. So, hindi makita na. Babaan gamay. Bakit ba? Ayan. Nasaan ba yan? Ayan, meron tayong package. At inemprehan sa isulane. Order na punta no. Pakonsuelo sa kwan. Pakonsuelo. Meron tayong pakonsuelo sa sarili. Ay, mag-uniform na taday. Karon. Ito, choda girl. Ayan. Pagkaya tayo. Uy, nito tagtila day. Lagi nigda ko ay. Takul gini. Gonna try it. We're gonna try it. Just try. I like it because kuan. It's very light. Ooh, genders. Perfect. For summer. Perfect for spring. Ayan. It's very nice. I love it. Just like on the picture. Ta-da! Ayan. Ay, ganda. This is free. A free item from Timo. Ayan. So we're gonna try the other one. This one, we're gonna try it. Uy, I like it. Garter. Naka-garter na to tayo, no. Murad ako lagi din siya. Kala mo ka maliit ka, no? Kala mo maliit ako, no? Ayan. So we're gonna try it. So give me a second. So here's the pants. You can just partner with this. Diba? That one. So we're gonna try the other one, that other top. So let me try. We're gonna try this one here. Uy, what is this? Wala man pang lola. Akala mo lola naman taday. Lola na taday do. Chadan. Uy, ninat siya. They have a rubber here. Oh, diba? Chadan. Nice. Malaki na talaga ako, guys. Si size M na talaga ako. I like it. Diba? Pwede na tapang trabaho. Ayan. I'm gonna order more of this thing because it's just like a uniform. Yeah, love it. So we're gonna try this one here. This is the last one. But this one is free. You just give me for free. Yeah, this one is free, and this one is, you know, it's like $15 for the $15, another $15. So I pay like, I think that was like 30, or maybe it was not free. I don't know. Uy, ganders. Uy, ganda niyo, guys. Oh, so we're gonna try it. Try this one. We're gonna remove this one. Just gonna remove. We're just gonna put it on, since we just put that underneath. We don't have to remove anything. So, diba, ganders? Parang maliit yung, sabi siya, bukton. Ano ba yan? This is how they work? Ano? Ganyan pa lang yan siya. Ganyan pa lang yan siya, doy. Meron siyang extra. Kailangan mo lang siya ipasok dyan sa ilalim. I think. We need to look it up in the picture. It's like that. And then we're gonna remove our pants. So this is it. Ayan. Can you see? Oh, it's just the perfect arm height for me. Ayan. Ay, ganders. Pwede na ito terno-terno. Ayan. So that it's all for today. I love it. I think I need to change my clothes today. Ayan. So yeah, if you like this video, comment down below and I will show you where I get it. You know, it's just Timo. So I will share the link. Akala mo ha? Akala mo sponsored. It's not sponsored. This is not sponsored. This is just I choose, you know, because it's like good for, you know, summer, spring, something like that. You know, I love it, and it's really, you know, it's very light, and you know, when we travel, I like light clothing. This one is good for, you know, when you go to the Philippines or go to Caribbean, something like that. This is good one because it's very easy to, and the quality is really nice. It's really soft. Ayan. Ayan. So ganyan siya. It's really nice. Just like on the picture. I love it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you again on my next video. Mabuhay. Bye bye.